So I heard about it from a diabetes support group that I go to regularly. And there was a presentation, and it was pretty mind-blowing because I had never heard of the treatment before, ever. I was kind of ticked off when I heard about it because I could have used it probably 20 years ago. But I got in the next day, and then I started my treatment the next day after that. I didn't really want to wait any longer. Why not? Started up. Had my initial assessment and told Sarah everything that was going on, like joint pain and bone pain, numbness, tingling, things that didn't look like neuropathy exactly. So it wasn't until it started to reverse that we could attribute a lot of the problems to neuropathy in my hands that I didn't know I had. So I stopped doing a lot of artwork just because it wasn't enjoyable, trying to hold pencils, paintbrushes. I would get numb. And I also, like my mental clarity, like trying to paint something, there's a thought process that goes with it. And basically I felt like I was just in a fog all the time. I felt like my creativity had been impaired quite a bit. And it just seems like the brain fog cleared up. One of the things I noticed right away was my peripheral vision seemed sharper. I felt like my visual field had expanded, but also colors were brighter. Reds especially at first, blues and greens, and it just seemed like all the colors that I loved, I was like, whoa! Like I had never seen colors so bright. I don't have numbness and tingling, I don't have pain every day. The inflammation is much better. I don't want to say they're 100% normal looking because my joints were so inflamed that caused them to be a little bit deformed, but it was surprising how quickly things started turning around. Things were painful in the beginning. It wasn't fun the first 4 weeks, but I knew that my body was doing something different. I was sleeping better. I was able to eat food. My digestion was starting to turn around. I was having trouble with gastroparesis, and basically each week that got better and better, and I started eating more. And they get really excited when they see somebody getting better as well. So it's a really interesting dynamic between the staff and the patients. It's incredible, actually. So it's a kind of support that you don't expect to ever get because everybody's sort of celebrating the little accomplishments that the treatment gives you. It's exciting, it's fun, and who doesn't like to get better? And who doesn't like to see people get better, which I've never seen anything like it.